we are going to learn how to create background variations for a door animation template. Import the basic door animation and a background that we got for free from FreePick. First, choose the aspect ratio. Select Landscape. Once that's done, tap on the background and zoom it in until it fills the entire screen. Then, tap on the door animation and select Overlay. Adjust the timeline between the door animation and the background. Next, select Mask. Choose Rectangle. Adjust the rectangle to capture the door animation and make sure it looks neat. Once done, zoom in on the door animation so that it fits the background, like this. After that, tap on the background and make sure the duration matches the door animation. Then, check and export. After exporting, go back to the Project menu. Tap the background and choose Replace. We'll replace it with a different background. Make sure the new background fills the entire screen, and to adjust its color, select Adjust. Tweak the colors as you like. When you're finished, export again. We repeat this process as many times as possible to upload more variations and dominate the tags and keywords according to the theme. Once everything has been exported, we will then upload all of them to Adobe Stock using relevant keyword tags.